Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Preravya. Welcome back guys. As we all know, we have started a 21 days challenge series and we have completed our first day, that is a day 1 challenge as part of this 21 days challenge series. If you haven't seen that video, check the link in the description, do watch the video. And coming to today's video, that is student challenge, is something about we all face, that is nothing but mistakes. Now let's be honest guys, everyone including us, we make mistakes. Students, professionals, parents, leaders, everyone makes mistake and no one is perfect. But the difference between a successful person and an unsuccessful one is not only about avoiding mistakes but also knowing about how to handle them or how to handle their mistakes. So in this video, this video is all about how to overcome mistake. This challenge is overcoming mistakes. So here we will be having steps to overcome mistake. Let me tell you one by one. First step comes here. That is accepting and acknowledging yourself. Accept your mistakes. The time you know you have made a mistake or you got to know your mistake, don't deny it or don't run away or don't harsh yourself. Admit it to yourself that yes, I have made it. You accept it. You accept the mistake. So what comes here is acceptance is the first step of moving towards, or your way shows the correct path of rebuilding. So acceptance is the first step that makes you move forward. Here comes the second step. Stay calm and don't self-blame. Don't blame yourself. What I say is mistakes don't define you. They are events, not your identity. Instead of telling or thinking I'm a failure, think I failed this time and I can learn things next time. Right? I think you understood what did I say. Third point is reflect and understand. Reflect yourself, understand why the problem happened or what made things, what made you to do that mistake. Ask what exactly triggered you to do that. Why did this mistake happen? Write it down in your diary. As I've said in the earlier challenge, write it down here in your diary what made you to do that mistake. Reflection prevents the mistake from repeating. That means it prevents from repeating the same mistake again and again. And the fourth step, learn the lesson. So every mistake carries a lesson, guys. Each and every small mistake carries a good lesson. For example, if you use harsh words to your parents or someone else, they feel bad. So that is a mistake. So when you lose patience, you may lose your words or hurt someone else. So in this mistake, you learn of building patience. So if you build patience, you don't lose words and others will not get hurt by you. So this is what I mean to say. Just I give simple and quite a little example. So the way I want to give you guys is learn from the mistakes. So learn the lesson from your mistakes so that you will not repeat it again or you will not demotivate yourself. So the step 5 is make a corrective plan. That doesn't give a big definition, that you just have a small and specific steps to avoid repeating it. For example, if you miss any deadline of your project, you start breaking it into smaller tasks with reminder, which helps you in doing the task before deadline. This is a small example. Just I am telling to make a corrective plan that you should not repeat your mistake again. Forgive yourself and make a move. The sixth step, forgive yourself. See, holding on to your guilt that is only staying on your guilt stops you growth. That means it stops your growth, it lags you behind. So remind yourself that I'm improving, I am changing myself. I'm not perfect, but I'm changing to be perfect. I'm trying to change myself to be perfect. Think in that way. Forgive yourself and move on, guys. Don't stuck in the mistakes itself. So turning it into your strength. So the last step is here, the last step comes is turn the things as your strength. Share your lessons or share your experience with your friends. So many successful people grave because of their mistakes. So what I would like to say is, mistakes are not setbacks, they are setups for your comebacks. Nice, right? So here is the most important factor to grow. That is, do not hide your mistakes from your parents, guys. We often think like parents will scold us or they'll not understand us, so we keep things to ourselves, we hide it. But believe me, parents are our biggest supporters. Parents may point out at your mistakes or point out you, but they are also one and only one who will guide you in your journey, or who will guide you get back stronger, get up and build your way stronger. They are the one and only ones in the entire world who will help you come back. The day you open up with them with full honesty and transparency, you will feel the realness, and you will realize the trust best friends of your life. Being other friends, you all leave other friends, you will find the trust best friend of your life. Once you start sharing everything, each and everything, not only good things but also the mistakes you made to your parents, you will find the truest best friends of your life, guys. Once you try this with your parents and let me know your experience. How did it work with you? And this single step of being transparent with your parents can change the way you grow. Because when you start sharing your things, you don't just reduce your burdens, you also gain guidance, like from people who care about you most. You will get the guidance which is wrong or which is right. It Keeping aside the guidance, you will also think how much people care for you, how much your parents value your things, or how much they value you, or how much they think for you. The thing you will get to know. So keeping it all aside, how to prove things, that how to come back from or how to recover from mistakes. Let us have a beautiful example of a success story through failures. That is, let us take example of Thomas Edison, the inventor of light bulb. He failed more than 1,000 times before creating a working bulb. Right, as we all know it, we have learned it from our childhood. So when someone asked about his failures, he said I have not failed, but just I have found 1,000 times that won't work. I think you guys have understood how beautiful this line worked out, or this line came. He said that I have not failed, I have just found 1,000 times which won't work. It's cute and very nice, right? So this proves that mistakes are not the end, they are part of the process. Like Edison, if you keep learning and keep correcting and stay transparent with your people who support, your success will follow you. Not you will follow your success will follow you, guys. Trust me. And coming to the today's challenge, it's quite simple. Write down your mistakes which you have made recently. Reflect it, just know it yourself why it happened, and note down the lesson you have learned from it. And if possible, I would not like to use word possible, just to share it with your parents openly, and see, guys, how light you will feel once you stop hiding everything from your parents. Not only things you made, not only mistakes, everything. If you share openly with your parents, you will feel how light, like 1,000 kilos of stone or 1,000 kilos of burden have relieved from your two head or shoulders. You feel such a relief. thing. You will experience that thing. Once try it out and share your experience. And remember, a good person is not only one who never makes mistake, but the one who learns it and grows by not repeating them, and who knows it how to handle them, and who will share everything with their parents, who will not hide things from their parents. I think all might have understood and something you have learned from this video. If you watch the video till the end, it shows a true interest in transforming your life through the small daily changes. And all the best for your challenges. And thank you so much for watching this video. We'll come back with the next and beautiful challenges in shaping ourselves. So see you in the next video. Thank you.